In 1811, Hahnemann was appointed as a lecturer at Leipzig University. In 1820, he was fierce opposition from students and professors. He had to face so much criticism from the medical world for his discovery. He and his followers were ridiculed as quacks and threatened that their medical registration would be cancelled. Many books, journals, pamphlets, and articles were published against him and a new system of homeopathy. He was criticized and abused in the articles in foul language. Hahnemann and his disciples were also prohibited from using homeopathic medicine and from dispensing their own medicines. People tried to discourage him from the development of homeopathy, but he continued his work on homeopathy and carried on with experimentation with more new medicines. He completed successfully clinical trials of 99 drug substances directly on the human being with evidence-based medicinal data and published in his books with the scientific rules and regulation of their use in a manual book, Organon of Medicine. In Koithan, Hahnemann got first time permission to start the medical practice of homeopathy. After treating an epidemic disease, cholera, successfully with the use of camphor in 1821,